Hello everyone. I hope all of you are good, safe and healthy. So what is our agenda today to talk about is summer training, or you can call it as summer internship. Though being the essential requirement of the degree of yours of discipline of management, you are required to do this summer internship. But apart from that, this is the time where you learn the practical things, and during the time of your placements you can showcase these skills to the company officials. Now, who are required to do the summer internship? Students who are passing out in 2022. Specifically, we are only talking about Mithil School of Business students. Those who are passing out in 2022, they are required to do their summer internship in the month of June, July 2021, means this year. This is a 6 weeks, that is 45 days of training, right? Which you are required to do as per the dates given in your academic calendar, which will be uploaded on UMS very soon. So, how you can do your summer internship? You can do your internship with the industry, right? Or you can do your project with any local body, NGO, government body, right? Or the any community development project you can do with them. Either you do internship with industry or you do with NGO or government body. After the completion of your summer training, you are required to make a presentation, summer internship file you are required to prepare and defend your work in your Viva. First thing to do, and very crucial, you are required to fill one form which is called as summer internship or arrangement form. SI means summer internship arrangement form 2021. This is a Google form in which we require some of your crucial details which we can share with the company as and when required. So your first task is that you are required to fill these details by 20th January 2021. You must fill these details cautiously, that everything you fill, make sure it is correct, and whatever details you are filling, you make sure you have the proof for that, and before finally submitting the form, check it twice that all details you have filled are correct. Now the question is how to arrange the summer internship. There are two options. If you are registered for placements and your opportunity start date is before the summer internship start, right? Then you can arrange your training through university help also. Means university will be calling for the companies. You can sit in the drive of those companies, and if you get selected, right, then you are required to join that company. In case of summer internship, there is no second offer policy. One company you get selected in a summer internship company, you are required to join that company when required, right? Another thing is some students who want to learn their niche roles, like I have a keen interest in that. I want to learn how mutual funds are constructed, or how the option strategies in the stock market, option or call put strategies are made, or hedging strategies are made, or I want to learn the analysis role, or I want to learn any marketing niche area which I want to learn. It might be digital marketing or any other thing. So I will arrange my internship myself. This is which is called self-arranged internship. In case of self-arranged internship, some of the guidelines are given. Make sure to read that. For MBA students, they cannot do the training with franchisee or the dealers. They are required to do with the company only, right? It can be a private limited company, public limited company, even the government companies are also allowed. Even the banks, right? Government banks, private bank, all the banks are allowed. Some students, undergraduate students, commerce students, they are allowed to do internship with chartered accountant, CA, right? MBA students cannot do that. Now, if you arrange your internship, you need to have a approval from university side also. that whether that company, we are as a university allow our student to go on that company or not. And apart from that, you need NOC letter also. Both the tasks can be completed in one go, and that is you are required to fill these another form which is called company detail form, for which we will provide you the link very soon. Right now, just understand that fill the initial arrangement form, summer internship arrangement form 2021. After that, start looking for the companies in which you want to do your internship. Then after a couple of days, we will provide you company detail form. Then you will fill this form. We will verify the company which you will fill. If it is accepted, we will give you the NOC, that is no objection certificate, and even you can call it as authority letter or the recommendation letter from the university side that you are a student of university and you want to do internship in that company. And uh, every student is entitled to get maximum 3 NOCs. As we are now scattered and we are not at one place, so we will be providing you this NOC through your mail, soft copy of that letter which you can take a print. Link for this document is given on your UMS My Message also, and below this video also description. Thank you everyone. All the best. God bless you. Take good care of yourself and your family, and make sure you fill initial registration link as soon as possible. Bye bye.